Welcome back to the channel. If you're here, it's likely because you've faced the frustration of a denied VA claim, or maybe you're just trying to avoid one. Today, we're uncovering 7 reasons your VA claim was denied, and more importantly, giving you the tools to avoid these mistakes. These tips are based on the experiences of veterans who've been through the system and lived to tell the tale. Stick with me, and let's get your claim on the fast track to approval. Let's kick this off with a classic VA claim killer: incomplete or insufficient medical evidence. The VA needs clear, comprehensive medical records to support your claim. Gather all relevant medical documentation, doctor's notes, test results, hospital records, everything. Be specific. If your records don't clearly connect your condition to your service, they might as well be written in hieroglyphics. Talk to your healthcare provider and get them to include details about how your condition is linked to your military service. Moving on to our next obstacle, failing to establish a service connection. This is a common issue many veterans face when filing for VA benefits. The VA needs to see a clear link between your condition and your time in the military. It's not enough to say it happened during your service. You need concrete evidence. Enter the Nexus letter, a document crafted by a medical professional that explicitly connects your condition to your service. This letter is crucial in bridging the gap between your military service and your current health issues. The Nexus letter should be detailed, explaining how your condition is related to your service. It should be written by a qualified medical professional who understands your medical history and the demands of military service. You can also provide additional evidence like incident reports, buddy statements, or any other documentation that supports your claim. These pieces of evidence can strengthen your case significantly. Medical records from your time in the military are particularly valuable. They offer a timeline of your health issues and can show a pattern that supports your claim. Anything that shows your current condition is a direct result of your service will be beneficial. The more comprehensive your evidence, the stronger your case. The VA operates on proof, not speculation, so make sure you've got the receipts to back up your claim. Gather all relevant documents, organize them meticulously, and present a well-supported case to increase your chances of approval. Let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: paperwork. Specifically, filing errors. Using the wrong forms, missing deadlines, or providing incomplete information can lead to a denial. Double-check your forms and use the VA website for resources. Take your time to fill out each section carefully to avoid having to start the process over again. Be thorough, be accurate, and most importantly, be patient. Now let's talk about secondary conditions. If you have a service-connected knee injury and develop chronic back pain as a result, that's a secondary condition. You need to prove to the VA that your back pain is a direct result of your service-connected knee injury. Get a medical opinion that clearly explains how your primary condition caused the secondary issue. Provide a detailed timeline of how your condition has progressed to strengthen your case. The C&P exam, or compensation and pension exam, is the main event of your VA claim. It's like your day in court, but with less gavel-banging and more medical evaluations. This is where you meet with a VA-approved medical professional who will evaluate your condition. Preparation is key. Think of it as your chance to present your case. Write down your symptoms and provide specific examples of how they affect your daily life. The more detailed you are, the better. Can't sleep through the night because of the pain? Write it down. Every little detail helps paint a clearer picture. Can't play fetch with your dog anymore? Write it down. These examples show how your condition impacts your quality of life. Be honest about your condition. Don't downplay your symptoms or their impact. The VA needs to see the full picture of how your condition impacts your life. Your honesty and thoroughness can make a significant difference in the outcome of your claim. Let's talk about deadlines. The VA has strict timelines for everything: submitting claims, submitting evidence, appealing decisions. Missing even one deadline can send you back to square one. Use a calendar, set reminders on your phone, and keep track of all communication with the VA. Stay organized and stay on top of those deadlines to save yourself a headache. Navigating the VA claims process alone can be confusing and frustrating. That's why you don't have to go it alone. Veteran service officers, VSOs, and accredited representatives can help. They can assist you in gathering evidence, filing your claim correctly, and representing you during the appeals process. Think of them as your personal VA whisperers, fluent in the language of bureaucracy. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to reach out for help. There you have it, the 7 most common reasons VA claims get denied, and how to avoid them. Remember, understanding these pitfalls is the first step in ensuring your claim gets approved. The VA claims process might feel like navigating a minefield, filled with confusing paperwork and complex requirements. But with the right preparation, you can come out victorious. It's all about being thorough and persistent. If you've already received a denial, don't despair. Many veterans face this hurdle, but it's not the end of the road. Use these tips to strengthen your case and keep pushing forward. Gather all necessary documents, seek advice, and stay organized. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments how these tips have helped you. Share it with your fellow veterans because we all know someone who could use a little extra help navigating the VA system. And subscribe for more advice on navigating the VA claims process. We regularly post new content to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong and keep fighting for what you deserve.